I don't think that AI is at odds with human, right? I firmly believe that if used the right way, it is going to unlock so much potential. A lot of time when we speak to our customer, there is a constant complaint that, hey, I don't have the right data. Well, that's not an excuse anymore, because now AI, you don't need structured data, you don't need clean data in order to get insights. Now you can have conversational data, unstructured data, and the system can make use of it. So you will be more informed with customer interactions. The other piece is that AI is a helper, right? So you can use AI to actually answer some of those questions. If a customer asks a question, either the AI is listening to it and answering on the fly, or you are able to search the federated search space in your system and be able to answer those questions much more quickly. If you don't use AI, you probably would go into your support site, you would go into probably your Slack or Teams, you would ping someone else. When you have AI, all of that information is fed into AI and you are able to get answer in seconds. So you will become more and more responsive, you will spend less time in trying to find out answers, and you will spend more time in driving that value. If AI is used the right way, it can do wonders to humanity and business as well. It is a great place to be in. It is a great time to be able to see the power of a new technology unfolding and how it can be used for businesses worldwide.